Welcome to Lush Banner's Tension Fabric Trade Show Booth Assembly Guide. This walkthrough will help you assemble your trade show booth quickly and easily so you can focus on making an impact at your event. Let's get started. Step 1. Put on gloves and lay out all the parts from your kit to ensure everything is accounted for. Step 2. Using the numbers on the poles, snap the poles with corresponding numbers together by pressing the snap buttons. Step 3. Slide the graphic over the assembled frame like a sleeve, then zip it closed at the bottom to secure it. Step 4. Install the feet, ensuring the foot with 2 connectors is placed on the side where the 2 displays will connect. Step 5. Repeat these steps to assemble the second tension fabric display. Step 6. Connect the 2 displays together using the foot with 2 connectors. Step 7. Install the table pole onto the foot with the last remaining connector. Step 8. Place the table on top of the pole and secure it with the fixed clamp on the underside. Now let's assemble your case to podium. Step 1. Insert the 4 longer poles into the 4 holes on the top of the case. Step 2. Connect the poles using screws and the remaining horizontal tubes. Step 3. Remove the Velcro straps from the case. Step 4. Dock the bottom of the case onto the top ends of the vertical poles. Step 5. Pull the graphic over the assembled podium and tighten it for a snug fit. Step 6. Finally, place the black countertop into the top of the podium. Congratulations! Your trade show booth is now fully assembled and ready to showcase your brand in style. Thank you for choosing Lush Banners, and we wish you a successful event.